Yinzer Picker. As you can see, we have box number 2. We just went through box number 1. I think we're gonna make our money back. 50 bucks, maybe a little bit more. So we're gonna see what's in this box now. So let's open it up. Friendly, I just hand you stuff.
I hope we're feeling lucky.
You hand me stuff and I show.
Well, yeah. You don't pull anything out though. Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh, this is nice. Wow. This has
way more in it.
Oh my goodness, guys. This is...
Okay, first.
I also have
10 white dish towels.
10 white dish towels. We actually need these. What is it? 10 white dish towels. White. Bailey's turn. What is this?
They're wall stickers.
Oh, cool.
PVC. They're like Halloween, which is
They're
perfect.
Halloween.
So that's Halloween's getting ready to come up. So it looks like there's at least 2 of those. Maybe more.
There's more. Where can I put this? There's more.
Start a pile.
What is
Where?
this? Oh, what are those?
There.
Oh, 10 ways to wear. It's called Goth Guard. There's a bunch of them though. All the same colors, so it makes
masks?
Is my head in it?
Oh.
We have a bunch of them.
I can't even get
What
all
are
these
they?
out.
Oh, you can wear it as a wristband. Alice band, blind. Wow, that's cool.
We have a bunch of them though. Are they
Yeah,
all,
there's even more in
are they
there.
all the same colors?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, there's a bunch of them in here.
You like to list things like that.
I know, it's all just one. So
Wow.
next up,
Look at the
hold on.
pile. It's really big.
No, this is a peeler and grater. The Julienne, avocados, mangoes, and more.
Here, there's another one.
Cool.
Oh,
Hold it
Oh,
up.
there's
I
more.
want to show. These are nice.
Here is a 3D mask bracket. Hold on, guys, don't pull anything out yet.
Oh,
Okay?
that keeps it off your face. Yes, I've seen.
Masks up.
I've seen those.
The problem
before.
is, people are not buying masks anymore. But
Well, a lot of people still are.
we'll give you a final count on these things soon. Oh, what is that?
It does not say what this
Let me
is.
see. It's just like kind of a craft item.
It's like, it looks kind of for like a baby.
No, those are wooden beads, so I think it's a craft.
And there's a chicken on here.
Yeah, something you would use in a craft. Interesting.
I can tell you, I might go back and buy more of these.
Really.
Yeah, because this box is actually way better than the first one.
Okay.
Hold on, guys. This is Sumaya Babaki Arbatango. I cannot read the back. 'cause
CD.
I think so.
Is that
Wow.
side and that side.
Yeah, that's in
He could not read this.
another language.
That's another language.
The pile's getting big down there.
Yeah. Okay, so I think
Here, guys.
this is
This is
our
graduation.
Quango jean pins.
Graduation kit.
Ah, like
So,
buttons for
yeah,
jeans.
they're so cute. Like you can have a smiley
That's
face.
cute.
I like these. Okay. So this is a graduation thing.
What is it?
Graduation thing.
Graduation gifts.
Okay. Graduation gifts to men, girls, best friends.
Not sure what that is. Interesting.
So I'm opening up the next thing. It's in these little purple bags. We have 3 of them total. Oh, they're like weight clamps.
Weight clamps, 3 of them.
Oh, okay.
It's a 5-pack of something.
5-pack of fashion protective something reusable fabric.
And it feels kind of soft in the bag. Feel it.
It does
Hold
feel
on,
soft.
hold on. What did Bailey? Did you show these yet?
Yes, I showed these already.
We're puzzled about what they are, though.
What with
There's
that.
more.
We're
There's
pretty
two
puzzled
more.
about what they are.
So far we have 3, but there might be more.
Okay.
You know anybody who had a quarantine birthday? Because there's a quarantine birthday keychain.
Well, everybody did.
Quarantine birthday. I did. 2021.
Yeah, we all did, I guess, technically.
Yeah, you didn't. Not yet. Or did you?
Go ahead, Brent, show that.
Are these tattoos?
I think they're
Yeah.
stickers.
Let's see.
No, they're tattoos. It says
Oh.
cartoon tattoo.
For Cinco de Mayo.
Bottom
It
one.
shows how to apply them on the back.
Cool.
So you have to run it.
All right.
So next are there's 2 boxes in here. I don't know what it really is.
Okay.
It's
8
just
millimeter.
it just
Brent,
says
put
2
it back in
boxes.
this
I don't know.
2 boxes of something. Okay, so this is super cool. It says quarantine
Yeah,
birthday.
but
Huh.
it's
I actually want this.
Here. There's actually 3 of them.
There's 3 quarantine birthday thingies.
They're all in rose gold.
Oh yes, they're all rose
They're
gold,
really pretty.
like this.
Really pretty. Oh, with a
With a straw.
metal straw.
That's nice. And like a stirrer.
That's to clean the straw.
It kind of looks like a Yeti for some reason.
We have 3 of these. They're coasters.
Coasters.
Nice. What kind of coasters?
Did you say?
Oh my gosh. Do you
there's-
recognize those, Mike?
There's 2. Are those the same ones that we have?
I think so.
There's a couple, but they don't look like they're like so. Ours
So they
are
have a holder.
Oh, but ours don't.
There's like wood print. No, they're all the same print.
These are ours. These are all of
They're all
them.
about
There's
the
2
same
of
print
each
at least.
for ours.
Here, can I have
There
that?
might be 2 of each for these 2, but we're not gonna open them. Or maybe we could. Yeah, we could, but we're not.
Please don't be pushed.
Yeah, leave them closed.
See?
I am not going to do a running tally on this one because we're not checking prices right now.
Okay.
It was too hard. No barcodes.
So there's actually 3 of these coaster
Okay.
things.
Well, the barcode's covered up by the Amazon stickers.
Oh, a jump rope, a weighted jump rope. Those are pretty awesome.
So it's a lightweight jump rope with cushion grips. So like do you know like when you're jump roping it kind of hurts your hands, it like gives
Yeah.
you blisters.
Yeah.
It's cushioned. It's women and kids. Ooh, a 2-pack.
Oh, a 2-pack.
They're new. It doesn't look like they're new though.
I think there's just a little bit of box damage.
That actually looks.
I don't know how you guys are still
Hold
pulling
on.
stuff out of there.
Next, we have this Press Funny Self Stay-at-Home gift idea. Well, we have 14 of them. Oh, they're like the coffee mug.
It's in
What's
bubble
it
wrap.
say?
I don't know.
It says COVID-19.
COVID-19
That's something-
essential employee 2020.
2020.
What is it?
COVID-19.
COVID-19 essential employee.
Are they all that?
They still might sell though. People, I mean,
They're glass, so you have to be careful
no, they're actually
when
metal.
you're shipping. Oh,
They're metal.
it sounds like glass.
I guess it's a good
That's the only
like
thing left.
souvenir.
This is the last thing in this box.
There. Look at this pile. Okay, so now this is a door draft stopper. I think it's a 2-pack.
Oh, I've seen these.
It's supposed to block the cold air and hot air cross, block the light and dust, reduce noise, and block the wind.
It slides like under the door, the little crack at the bottom of the door.
So
Maybe one of those green things.
Nice.
super nice.
So I think overall, I think the second box is better.
Yeah.
I want to say there's way more stuff
Yeah.
in it. So overall, like I said, I think the
Did you
second
got
box
guard?
was definitely better than the first one. I might even reach out and get some more. I think this box is going to do well, especially those face mask things, headbands, whatever they are. Even the speed rope thing too. I mean, we'll find out. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Remember, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Anything else? Yinzer mom's filming this time, so she didn't want to be in this one.
No, I think you got it all.
Okay. Remember, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and
Keep
Okay,
it
very good.
in.
Bye.
bye.